So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am making a new vlog today after such a long time, and here we came to a school for a reunion. So stay tuned. I will show you each and everything.
So this is our boys campus where the stage has been set up, and St. Thomas's has one of the most biggest campuses in West Bengal. I can't show you the girls field because the stage was set up in the boys field. We are not allowed to go there.
जो कभी भी हम लोग स्कूल पे टाइम पे नहीं आए, टाइम पे रीच नहीं के बाद हम लोग सबसे ज्यादा जल्दी आए हैं, जहाँ सब कुछ पूरा जगह ही खाली है. मतलब कुछ भी उल्टा ही करते हैं हम लोग हर काम. अभी बस इसीलिए थोड़ा सा पिक्चर्स क्लिक किए हैं. एंड जब इवेंट शुरू होगा तो बाकी सब दिखाते हैं. अभी भी हम लोग नहीं बैठे फर्स्ट बेंच में, हमेशा लास्ट बेंच में बैठे. वी आर द बैक बेंचर्स बट टुडे वी आर इन द फर्स्ट रो.
So initially, as usual, we started with a prayer, a school prayer.
Giving us this opportunity to be here together again. To love.
सब हम लोग स्कूल प्रेयर हो रहा है. लाइक असेंबली में वापस से हम लोग
Where
खड़े
there
हो
is
चुके
doubt,
हैं. वापस से असेंबली में आ चुके हैं हम लोग.
where there is
So
time
here
out
the
of
boys
the
principal
schedule.
welcomed us
Coming back
with
to
his beautiful speech.
This is a special initiative for both the principals. Since the day I joined, I always wanted my students to come back to their own school, their second home. And that's
So
why from
this
last
was
year,
just
I
a
taken
tea and
initiative
talks kind of reunion with our principals,
and
but
talks
there,
with
there will
principals.
be a grand reunion on
you're all
11th of
busy all over
January,
the
and they
world.
showed us the 3 performances that are going to happen there.
बादाम बादाम में दादा कच्चा बादाम खाना का चिल्ला तो वो बादाम सॉरी रग रग में जोश की बूंदें आंखों में जीत ही गूंजे इस गूंज से गिर जाएगा आसमान के कदमों में I was just a kid, scribbling rhymes in my notebook, when the world of music collided with my reality. St. Thomas School, Class 7, that's where it all began. Teachers would pause, curious as I let my words flow, but I didn't bother explaining. They wouldn't understand the fire burning inside. My dream was bigger, K-City, hip-hop. That's where I wanted to make my mark. So, I hustled. Althom's reunion. I'm stepping onto the stage where it all started. From classroom to stage, the journey has been real. It's really real. This is where my story began, and that the beat's taking me places. Althom's, here we go.
Many ex-students from each and every batch came on the stage and shared their experiences and memories of the school, but I was feeling too diffident to say anything.
In that building. 2018. That's wonderful. You are looking like a Shah Rukh Khan. Come at the middle of the stage. Yes, carry on.
Hi, good evening, everyone. It's very blessed to be back here. Thank you, Principal Sir. Thank you, Sharia Rankar, and everyone who was behind for bringing us back here. So the only thing that I want to request, like we are here today, it's very, very, very delightful to be back. The only request is please allow us to be back on the field, sir. If is there any possibility for the football to be started like we used to come on the weekends for the Saturday and Sunday? That's what my request is. If there is anything that
Message for each and every one of you. Tell me honestly, how many of you turned off a fest Toma? Many hands there. Do you know that Fest Toma was not only Calcutta's but one of the Bengal's biggest inter-school fest? There were 36 plus events, 3 days, 3 plus artists, and Mohammad Irfan came in. And I just want all of you to take a moment and have a round of applause for the principal of both the schools and the teacher faculty who are involved with the grandest fest of West Bengal. Can you have a huge round of applause, everyone?
But this year I have gathered courage to be here. But thank you.
अब हम लोग को लेके जाया जाए स्टेज में जस्ट टू टेक सम पिक्चर्स. नहीं कुछ दिख तो नहीं रहा है. दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल मैम. ये सब ब्लॉग में डलेगा. So now we are
All the girls who are standing on the
tea and
stage
snacks,
are requested to
which
kindly
they
go
don't
and
have
have
to
your
request.
tea
We
and
will go
snacks.
without requesting. ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे हम लोग कैंटीन में जा रहे हैं. Just see the crowd for tea and snacks. इतना क्राउड है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि बस कैंटीन में जाएंगे और ये घुसेगी मैडम, क्योंकि हम लोग का तो उतना वेट नहीं है और घुस कर कुछ ना कुछ तो गिरने वाला है. इसी के ऊपर गिरेगा हमेशा के जैसे. इसी का जो आउटफिट है वो खराब होने वाला है. तो यहाँ स्कूल का कैंटीन में कभी लाइन में गई नहीं. यहाँ का लाइन में कभी जाएंगे नहीं. बीच से एंटर करने वाले हैं भाई. यहाँ लाइन फॉलो कर ले.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया मुन्ना.
खाना ही हम लोग का खत्म नहीं होता है. अब हम लोग का होगा फोटो. नाच लो ना घर वाले ना पापे हैं, सब पे अपना राज है. करने की क्या बात है, ये तो बस शुरुआत है. चलाया अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
So here we enjoyed a lot. We clicked pictures with our ex-classmates. We met them after so many years. But it was amazing to be a part of this thing. But there will be a big vlog on the 11th of January for our actual reunion. I'm quite excited about that party.
हमेशा मैं ऐसे ही गिरते गिरते बच जाती हूँ. बस गिरी हुई हूँ नहीं, गिर जाती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम क्लमजी. तुम होगी गिरी हुई.
Stop it. Get some help.
नहीं, लेकिन आई एम जस्ट क्लमजी माई डार्लिंग. तो उसमें यही बस. अब हम लोग का रियूनियन खत्म हो चुका है. अब हम लोग कुछ बाहर भी खाने जा रहे हैं बिकॉज हम लोग का खाना ही खत्म नहीं होता है भाई. हाथ पकड़ के क्रॉसिंग करना पड़ा है. 4 लड़की मिलकर भी रोड क्रॉस नहीं कर पा रहे हैं भाई. वी आर द वुमेन.
What gave you the confidence?
Delusion. So this is the end of the vlog. So please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And मिलते हैं अपने next vlog में. Bye bye. Love you.